Ooh, yes, they're bringing out some new stuff. Is that my favorite plates? Come treasure hunting with me at the Goodwill Bins. I'm on the hunt for beautiful vintage home decor. Looks like they have a lot of art. Let's go check that out first. Gold frame. Some mirror, another mirror. This looks like a purse strap, but I plan on doing lots of Americana DIYs this year, so I'm gonna get this. It would be cute though to add to my purse. There's lots of purses in these bins right here, but I always like looking for nice belts to use for DIYs. Some little houses. School. These are heavy. What's this one? The post office. Here's a little poof, like a little beanbag poof. I don't love the colors of it. Honestly, if it didn't have this, it'd be probably cute in Ryan's room. I wonder if I could recover this. I don't know. I'm not the best sewer. And I noticed this rug. It looks like a vintage wool rug. And it looks really big. The colors are not, necessarily my style, but I don't know. It looks like it could be something special. All right, it finally happened. Somebody took the poof while I was looking at the rug. That's okay though. I guess I didn't need it. Yeah, look how giant this rug is. I just don't think that's something that I can deal with, but hopefully somebody else rescues it. This house is really cute, and I bet that lights up. So it's a diner and they're eating inside. I just don't know if I want a village, but I find stuff like this all the time. So if I do decide I want to do a Christmas village, then I can always start collecting. It's really heavy. I bought the white ones like this from Hobby Lobby. Here's the pink one. It's like a dusty pink. Perfect color for Ren's room. Is that my favorite plates? Platters? Yes, it is. I love these. Made in the USA. I have so many of them, so maybe I'll sell this one. But this is my favorite pattern. It should clean up pretty good. I found a little, I think this is a P.O. box. It says made in England right here. I'm gonna get that. And this little riser. Ooh. Yes, they're bringing out some new stuff. Look at this girl. I think I'm gonna leave her, but hopefully somebody else rescues her. Got some John Deere mugs. Oh, cute little rabbit, but it's missing an ear. Okay, this piece of furniture looks cute from the back. Oh my gosh, this is like the piece I have between my living room and my kitchen. Very cute, but lots of damage. Missing a drawer. It is $6 at the Goodwill Bins. All right, I found a few things in those new gray bins that they bought out. I did not get a bag, so I'm carrying everything. Look how cute. This is Avon. I love this with the florals and the milk glass. It's precious. Like I said, any Americana stuff that I find, I'm definitely picking up. Check this out. Lululemon bag. It needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I don't know if this is something that my daughter's going to be interested in or not, but I'm going to grab it, and if she doesn't want it, I could always sell it. And I got some dominoes. These are the older ones, and they have the little brass pieces in the middle. Is that all that I got? I think so. But they're, oh shoot, I'm taking these right now. I'm gonna move out the way. All right, they're rocking and rolling today. What is this green thing right here? Oh, that's a little toy. I can't remember. No, I have not finished digging right here. I think I got distracted over there. Wait, what is this? Is that another flag? Oh no, that's just a cardboard, like gift box. Gold frame. Some Christmas stuff, but it's broken. Oh, that's nice. Some frames. It looks like these have been here for a while because a lot of them are empty and picked over. Don't worry, we are not done shopping at the Goodwill Bins yet, but I want to tell you about my next Whatnot sale. It is going to be Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you did not hear, I moved my Whatnot sales to nighttime, so hopefully more of y'all can make it, and everything that I pick up in today's video will be available on my next auction, as well as lots of really cute spring decor items, so you do not want to miss it. And if you have no clue what Whatnot is, it's definitely time to come check it out. It is an app where all day long they have different auctions going on, anything and everything you could be interested in. I guarantee you there is an auction going on, and there's a search bar so you can search for whatever you are looking for. And it's fun. It's a live hangout, so it's like this. We're talking, we're interacting. So even if you don't want to come buy anything, if you just want to come, hang out, chat, see what the items go for, y'all come on over. And if you're watching this at a later date, well then come and bookmark my shows. I have them every single Thursday. And if you're brand new to Whatnot, make sure you scan the QR code or use the link in my description, because that is going to give you a $15 credit to use on Whatnot. So I will see y'all over on Whatnot Thursday. Let's get back to the Goodwill Bins. This weekend, Ren was talking about how she wanted a balance beam, and here is a really good one for 20 bucks, but I don't want this big balance beam in my house or in my garage, so I'm going to be on the lookout for one of those new folding ones that they make, and that'll work for her. There's a filing cabinet. I think it's locked though. Is that $6 or $4? I don't know. This thing is super cheap, but how you open it up? I just sent my husband a picture of this table. It's $9. It rolls really, really good, and it goes up and down really well. If y'all don't know, he had surgery and he can't move very much, so he has to have everything near him. So I think this would be perfect. He could use this in the bed, or if he sits in a chair, he could also have it next to him with all of his stuff right here. So for $10, I'm gonna grab this and bring it home to him. It does have a little bit of a lean to it, I see. I think that'll be okay. They just brought out a new bin, and I found this gold frame. I love it. Gold and rust is my new favorite finish. And I found this bag. It's like a dried floral garland. It smells amazing. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I just like the way it looks. I like the way it smells. So if y'all have any ideas, definitely let me know. I don't think I dug through these bins. I think I got distracted by the new one they brought out. I like the way these look. They're little hula skirts. Oh, these match. Y'all remember those big balls that I got and I took apart to make Christmas ornaments? These little one matches those. Okay, I'm gonna grab those. Some crazing on here. This would be cute with a bird's nest. Okay, what can I do with these? What can I do with these? I'm gonna have to think about it. I'm gonna get this and the little balls, some little snowmen. Should I just get these? I feel like if I leave them, I'm gonna think of something. I think these are napkin rings. More belts. All right, let me go put that other stuff in my cart before somebody comes and takes it. There's nobody around here, but you never know. Here's a little squeegee, but look at the chippy blue handle. I'm taking it off, and I'm just getting this. I love the chippiness, and maybe I could add a flag to this. I think that would be cute. I found a few cute pieces of clothes in this bin. Here's a little blue and white floral shirt. I think Ryan might like this. How precious is this little dress? It doesn't have a size, but I think it would fit Ren. We're going to the beach this summer, and this would be a cute little dress to have, and a matching set, which is very hard to find at the Goodwill Bins. This is Lou and Gray. If y'all haven't heard of this brand, I think it's like, it's Ann Taylor brand. It is so soft. So here's the pants. Here is the shirt. It's a small, so it probably would fit either me or Ryan, and if neither of us end up wanting it, I could always sell it. So that was some good finds. Usually if I find one good thing in a bin, if I keep searching, they'll have other things that are similar, the size that I need, and you know, something that I would want. So I usually don't look through the clothes unless I'm waiting around. They just brought some bins out, so I gotta go. Here is a giant frame right here, $4. Let's see what's on the other side. Ooh, a vintage beach print. That is really pretty. Somebody needs to rescue this. The frame is nice too. I'll put some antiquing wax on it, but could you see this over a bed or the main picture in a gallery wall? That'd be really pretty. Score, just found some florals. These are those real touch ones too. 3, 4, 5, 6. I wonder if they have more. Also, somebody bought that painting. Here's 2 really nice frames. They're silver, but I can paint them whatever color. They were $30 at Hobby Lobby. Yeah, these would be easy to just take apart and to paint the frame whatever color you want. They brought out a bin, and look what I found. Flower frog, but I think I'm gonna head out. These would be cute with some little flags. I want to go get my nails done so y'all don't have to look at this tomorrow. It is awful. So if I want to have time to go do that, I need to head out. But y'all, we got some good stuff today. Look at the rusty gold with the glass and then the Americana colors. I just love that combination. I like to try to organize my stuff for easy checkout. So I got a bag full of stuff there. We got the Lululemon. Oh, I need to go get that piece of furniture. And I found a good amount of clothes for my kiddos for summer. So all in all, it was a good shopping trip. I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on all of this stuff. I hope y'all had an amazing time hanging out with me today, and I will see y'all on my next thrifting adventure. I actually changed my mind on this. I feel like it's leaning too much and I don't want his stuff to fall over, so I'm just not even gonna deal with this. I'm gonna leave it there. Maybe I shouldn't leave yet. Look what they just rolled out. Carts of furniture. I don't want any of this, but it could be a good sign of what's to come. Should I stay or should I leave the Goodwill Bins?